The previous X1 was a wagon in drag, its replacement is tall enough not to be confused with a car. By moving to a front drive platform, see sidebar below, BMW achieved some notable gains while stomaching inevitable sacrifices. And yet, this X1 still drives like a car while serving as a truck. BMW has wisely configured it to go toe-to-toe in the thriving premium compact crossover category with arch rivals Audi Q3, Lexus NX, and Mercedes-Benz GLA. Thanks to a front seat height raised by 1.2 inches, you slide straight into the saddle with no up or down movement. The X1's interior is beautifully furnished in 2 shades of French-stitched leather, lovely dark oak paneling, optional, matte chrome, and piano black accents. An intelligent mix of knobs and buttons takes the hassle out of adjusting the climate control, making a call, or navigating your way to a restaurant. The 6.5-inch dashtop display screen provides a clear look at both the X1's soul and the world at large. An 8.8-inch screen is optional. A huge, double-panel sunroof, part of the $3,250 premium package, or $1,350 on its own, brightens the interior mood. While the front seats are impressively bolstered and upholstered, they're a bit too narrow.